Unraveling the phrase, type away, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, type away. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, understanding such phrases can truly elevate your grasp of the English language. So, let's dive right in and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, type away, is an informal expression used to encourage someone to start typing or to continue typing on a keyboard without hesitation. It implies that the person has the freedom to type as much as they want or need to. For example, imagine you are in a computer lab, and your friend is hesitant to begin their work on the computer. You can say, "Go on, type away," encouraging them to start typing. To better understand type away, let's break it down. Type. This is a verb that refers to the action of pressing keys on a keyboard to produce text. Away, in this context, away is used as an adverb to imply continuous or vigorous action. When combined, type away suggests typing continuously or vigorously. Let's go through some examples to see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. In a work setting, your boss might say, "We need to send out this report by today. Type away, and let's get it done." 2. During a writing workshop, a mentor could encourage participants by saying, "Don't worry about making everything perfect in the first draft. Just type away, and you can edit later." 3. In a casual setting, a friend might tell you, "I've set up the computer for you. You can type away while I make us some coffee." And there you have it. You now know how to use the phrase, type away, in English. Remember, it's all about encouraging continuous typing without hesitation. We hope this video has been informative and helpful to you in your English learning journey. Don't forget to practice using the phrase in your daily conversations to make it stick. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.